Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach exercise 2.5. In that, first sum is which is greater. There are two numbers. You need to tell which is greater. So first question is 0.5 or 0.05. So the answer is 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Second question is 0.7 or 0.5. So the answer is 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Third one is 7 or 0.7. So the answer is 7 is greater than 0.7. Fourth one is 1.37 or 1.49. So the answer is 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Fifth question is 2.03 or 2.30. So the answer is 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Last question is 0.8 or 0.88. So the final answer is 0.88 is greater than 0.8. Let us move on to the second question. Express the given question in rupees using decimal form. Okay. First question is 7 paise. So 7 paise can be written as 7 divided by 100 because 1 rupee means 100 paise. So 7 paise is equal to 7 by 100. So if you divide, you will get rupees 0.07. This decimal point is at 100 place. Fine. Now second question, 7 rupees 7 paise. So first I have written in the paise form 707 divided by 100. So if you divide, you will get rupees 7.07. This decimal point is at 100. Fine. Now third, 77 rupees 77 paise. 77 rupees 77 paise. It is written like this, divided by 100. So that we can write in rupees. Rupees 77.77. Fine. Fourth question. 50 paise. 50 divided by 100. 0 get cancelled. You can also write rupees 0.5. Fine. Fifth question. 235 paise. So 235 divided by 100 in rupees it is 2.35. It means you should always start with the right hand side. So 100 place is this is tens place, this unit place, tens place and 100 place. So rupees 2.35. Third question is express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So first I have written 5 centimeter. So whenever you are converting from centimeter to meter, you have to divide by 100. Remember this. So 5 divided by 100 is nothing but 0.05 meters. Now from centimeter to kilometer, you need to divide by 10,000. So 5 divided by 10,000 is nothing but 0.00005 kilometers. Fine. Now second question, express 35 mm, that is millimeter, in centimeter, meters and kilometers. Okay, 35 mm means whenever you are converting from millimeter to centimeter, you need to divide by 10. Remember this. So 35 divided by 10 is 3.5 centimeter. 35 mm converting to meters. So 35 divided by 1000. So it is 0.035 meters. Now 35 millimeter to kilometers, then it will be 35 divided by 6 zeros. So it is 0.00035 in kilometers. Fine. Fourth question. Express the given question in kgs. Okay. So 200 grams. So whenever you are converting from grams to kilograms, you should remember that it should be divided by 1000. So 200 divided by 1000, 0 cancel, 0 is cancelled. 2 divided by 10 is nothing but 0.2 in kgs. Now second question, 3470 grams. So I have written here divided by 1000. 0 and 0 get cancelled. So 3.47 kg. Third question, 4 kg, 8 grams. So I have written like this, 4008 divided by 1000. Remember, most of the students what they do, these two zeros they will cancel. You cannot cancel that. Fine. So how we should write? 4.008 kg. Fine. Now fifth question, write in an expanded form. Okay, first question is 20.03. So from decimal place, so left hand side you will get ones, tens and hundred. From here it is tens and hundreds. So 20 means what, how I will write? 2 into 10 and 0 into 1. After decimal point, 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Fine. Now second question, 2.03. So 2 into 1, because this is in ones place. So it is 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Third question, 200.03. So let me explain you this. This is the decimal place. From decimal place, left hand side you should multiply ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So you should multiply. On the right hand side you should divide, but it starts from 1 by 10, next one will be 1 by 100, next will be 1 by 1000. Now here 200.03. So this 0 you can see here, it is at ones place. So 0 into 1. And this 0 is at 0 into 10 because it is at 10th place. So 2. So 2 is at 100 place. So 2 into 100. Now plus this 0 is at 10th place. So 1 by 10. So 0 into 1 by 10. Plus this 3. This 3 is at 100 place. So 3 into 1 by 100. Fourth question, 2.034. So 2 into 1 because it is in the ones place, plus 0 is in 10th place. So 0 into 1 by 10. 3 is in 100 place. So 3 into 1 by 100. And 4 is in 1000th place. So 4 into 1 by 1000. Fine. Now sixth question, write place value of the 2. Wherever you find 2, you have to write the place value. So 2. Okay. So I have made a easy method. So this is the decimal point. This is ones, tens, hundreds. This is 10th and 100th. So 2 is in ones place. You can see a decimal point is here and 2 is here. So it is in the ones place. Now here 21.37. So 2. Where is 2 according to this table? So it is in the 10th place. Fine. Third one, 10.25. So this 2 is after decimal. So after decimal means it is at the 10th place. Fourth one, 9.42. Put it in this table and tell me where it is. It is in the 100th place. I hope you are understanding this easily. Fifth one, 63.352. So where does it come? After decimal. So after decimal means it will be in the 1000th place. Fine. Now let us move on to the seventh question. Dinesh traveled from A to B, B to C. So the total distance traveled by the Dinesh from A to C, 7.5. From A to B, B to C it is 12.7. So if I add this, so it will be 20.2 kilometers traveled by the Dinesh. Now Ayub traveled from A to D. So how much it is? 9.3. You can see here. Then next D to C. How much he has traveled? 11.8 kilometers. So if you add these two, 21.1 kilometer. Now if I subtract this, so 21.1 minus 20.2. So it is 0.9 kilometers. Who has traveled more now? Ayub traveled more than by Dinesh. How many kilometers? 0.9 kilometers. Now eighth question. Shama brought the fruits. Apples 5 kg 300 grams. Mango 3 kg 250 grams. If you add this, you will get 8 kg 550 grams. Okay. Sarla brought fruits. Orange 4 kg 800 grams. Banana 4 kg 150 grams. If you add these two, you will get 8 kg 950 grams. So see this. You clearly it is shown that Sarla brought more fruits. Okay. So 8.950 kg is greater than 8.55 kg. Fine. Now ninth question. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. Subtract these two. Here 6, and if you subtract this, you will get a 14.6 kilometers. So 28 kilometer is 14.6 kilometer less than 42.6 kilometer. Fine. Now let us move on to the next exercise. So first question is find 0.2 into 6. 6 2s are 12. So I have written here. But there is a decimal point here. So after one place, always start from the right hand side. From right hand side, you should put a decimal point here. Understanding? Now second question is 8 into 4.6. Multiply this, you will get 36.8. So from the right hand side, put one decimal point. Fine. Now third question 2.71 into 5. If you multiply, you will get 13.55. You can see here two decimal places. Okay. So from right hand side, you should point to the two decimal places. Fourth one 20.1 into 4. If you multiply this, you get 80.4. You can see here one decimal place. So after 1. So similarly, fifth one is 0.05 into 7. So you can see here after two decimal. After two digit, you can have to put the decimal point. So sixth one is 211.02 into 4. So 844.08. So after two digit, you have to put a decimal point from the right hand side. Okay. Sixth one 2 into 0.86. You can rearrange this in this way. Then it will be easy for you to multiply. And remember, after two digit there is a decimal point. So after two digit, you should put a decimal point. So the second question is find area of rectangle. Remember, area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. What is the formula for a rectangle? It is length into breadth. So you need to multiply this 5.7 into 3. When you multiply, you will get 17.1 centimeter square. Okay. There is after one digit there is a decimal point. So after one digit, you should write a decimal point from the right hand side. So this is also in centimeter, this is also in centimeter. Remember, you should write this unit centimeter square. Now third question 1.3 into 10. When you multiply, this decimal point goes off. So it is 13. So second question is 36.8 into 10. You can see when you multiply with the 10, you get 368. This decimal point goes off. So third one is 153.7 into 10. So this will be removed. So it is 1537. Now here fourth one 168.07 into 10. So 1680.7 because there are two digits. So only one digit can be multiplied. Okay. Fifth one 31.1 into 100. Here there is only one digit. So you get an extra 0 here when you multiply with the 100. Sixth one 156.1 into 100. Since there is only one digit here, so what do you get? You get one extra 0 when you multiply. Seventh one 3.62 into 100. There are two digits. So when you multiply with the 100, so you will get 362. Eighth one 43.07 into 100. When you multiply this, you will get 4307 because there are two digits. Remember that. Ninth one 0.5 into 10. There is only one digit. So you will get 5. Okay. 10th one 0.08 into 10. There are two digits. So you get a 0.8. So 9th one 0.9 into 100. There is a one digit. So you get an extra 0 here. So it will become 90. So 12th one 0.03 into 1000. Remember, this is 1000. So you will get a 30. Okay. There will be extra 0. Fourth question is a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover if it is 10 liters of petrol? Very simple. Distance covered is 55.3 kilometers into 10. If you multiply, as I have told you here, this decimal point goes off, so you get 553 kilometers. Fine. Fifth question. Find 2.5 into 0.3. First multiply these two numbers, you get this as an answer. Remember, here it is a one digit, here it is one digit. So from right hand side you should put a decimal point after 2 digits. Okay, I repeat, here it is 1 digit, here it is 1 digit, so it will become 2 digits. So decimal point will come after 2 digits. Second question, 0.1 into 51.7. First multiply this. After getting the answer, here it is 1 digit, 1 digit. So the answer, the decimal point will come after 2 digits. Fine. Third question, 0.2 into 316.8. After multiplication, you will get this much. So here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So it is after 2 digits. Okay, before 2 digits. So next is fourth one, 1.3 into 3.1. If you multiply, you get 4.03. Fifth one, 0.5 into 0.05. When you multiply, you will get this much answer, 1, 2, 3. So after 3 places. Okay. Sixth one, 11.2 into 0.15. So 1.680. Here there are 2 digits, here there is a 1 digit. So totally there are 3 digits. Fine. So after 3 places. Seventh one, 1.07 into 0.02. When you multiply this, you will get this answer. You can see here there are 2 digits, here there are 2 digits. So totally 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see here after 4 places. Fine. Eighth one, 10.05 into 1.02. When you multiply, you get this. So here there are 2, here there are 2. So totally 4 digits. You can see here 4 digits. After 4 digits. Okay. So ninth one, 101.01 into 0.01. When you multiply this, you will get this much. 2 digits, 2 digits. So there are totally 4 digits. Rest all sums, solve it and let me know the answer in a comment section. Let us move on to the next exercise. Exercise 2.7. First question is find 0.4 divided by 2. So 0.4 I have written into 1 by 2. It is same. So you can see here, directly cancel this. 2 2s are 4. So it is 0.2. Okay. Second question is 0.35 divided by 5. So 0.35 into 1 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So what I should write? 0.07. Fine. So third question, 2.48 divided by 4. So 2.48 into 1 by 4. Directly divide this. So 0.26 4 6 24 and 4 2s are 8. So it is 0.62. Okay. I hope you are understanding how to divide. So fourth question is 65.4 divided by 6. 65.4 into 1 by 6. You can directly divide this. When you divide, you will get 10.9. Fine. Fifth one, 651.6 divided by 4. So 651.6 into 1 by 4. When you divide this, you will get 162.8. Sixth one is 14.49 divided by 7. 14.49 into 1 by 7. Instead of divide, you should write into. Instead of 7, reverse this, 1 by 7. So when you divide this, you will get 7 2s are 14.49 means it will come 7. So 2.07. Seventh question, 3.96 divided by 4. So you should write 3.96 into 1 by 4. So you will get 0.99. Eighth question, 0.80 divided by 5. 0.80. Instead of divide, write into. Instead of 5, write 1 by 5. Now here 5 ones are, here 0, 5 ones are 5. 3 is remaining. So 5 6 are 30. So the answer is 0.16. Second question, find 4.8 divided by 10. So write in this way, 4.8 divided by 10. So what you should write? 0.48. So the decimal point will shift to the left side. Fine. So second question, 52.5 divided by 10. 52.5 divided by 10. Observe very carefully. So it was 52.5. When it divided by 10, 5.25. Okay. So third one, 0.7 divided by 10. 0.7 divided by 10. 0.07. Fourth one, 33.1 divided by 10. 33.1 divided by 10 means, observe carefully the decimal point. So it is 3.31. Fifth one, 272.23 divided by 10. When you divide, it will become 27.223. Earlier it was like this. So sixth one, 0.56 divided by 10. So I have written like this. So it will become 0.056. Observe carefully the decimal point. So seventh one, 3.97 divided by 10. So when I write like this, so answer will be 0.397. See the decimal places. Fine. Now third question. In that, find 2.7 divided by 100. So I have written like this, 2.7 divided by 100. Look at the decimal places very carefully. So this is at ones place. So divided by 100 means it will become 0.027. It means it has shifted 2 places. Fine. So including this means it will come at a third. So second question, 0.3 divided by 100. 0.3 divided by 100. You can see the decimal place. Fine. 100 means it will come here, 0.003. Third one, 0.78 divided by 100. 0.78 divided by 100. You can see here, 0.0078. Fourth one, 432.6 divided by 100. 432.6 divided by 100. So after 2 decimal from here. So 4.326. See the decimal place. Fifth one, 23.6 divided by 100. 23.6 divided by 100. So it will come 0.236. Fine. Last one, 98.53 divided by 100. 98.53 divided by 100. Here it was like this. After dividing by 100, it will become 0.9853. This third question was all about 100. Fourth question is all about 1000. So first question in that is 7.9 divided by 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. See the decimal place here, 0.0079. Okay. So second one, 26.3 divided by 1000. So 26.3 divided by 1000 like this, 0.0263. Okay. Third one, 38.53 divided by 1000. So 38.53 divided by 1000, 0.03853. Understand this decimal places. Fine. So fourth one, 128.9 divided by 1000. 128.9 divided by 1000. Write in this way. Then adjust the decimal places. 0.1289. Last one, 0.5 divided by 1000. 0.5 divided by 1000. So you can see here 0.0005. Fifth question, find 7 divided by 35. So 3.5, sorry. So 7 divided by 3.5. So shift the decimal place to right side. So 7 divided by 3.5. So I have shifted this decimal place to right side. So it will become 35. So whenever you are shifting, you should take 0 in the numerator. So it will become 70 by 35. 35 ones are 35 twos are. So the answer is 2. Second question, 36 divided by 0.2. 36 divided by 0.2. As I have told you, shift decimal place. So when I shift this decimal place to the right hand side, it will become 2. Also I told you should take 0 on the numerator. So 360 divided by 2 is nothing but 180. So third one, 3.25 divided by 0.5. So 3.25 divided by 0.5. Whenever you are shifting in the denominator, you should shift on the numerator also. So fine. So 3.25 is there. So it will become 32.5 divided by 5. When you divide, you will get 6.5. 5 6 are 30. 2 remains 25. So no, 5 5 are 25. So the answer is 6.5. Now fourth question, 30.94 divided by 0.7. 30.94 divided by 0.7. When I am shifting this decimal point to the right hand side in denominator, numerator also you should shift. So 309.4 divided by 7. You can see here I have shifted denominator, numerator. When you divide this, you will get 44.2. Fifth question, 0.5 divided by 0.25. So 0.5 divided by 0.25 you can see here. So I am shifting this 2 decimal places. So it will become 25. Here it is only 1 decimal place. So if I shift this, then it will become 50. So that will become 2 decimal place. 50 divided by 2, 25 ones are, 25 twos are. So the answer is 2. Sixth one, 7.75 divided by 0.25. So I have written here 7.75 divided by 0.25. Here I am going to shift 2 decimal place. I'll get 25. Here also if I shift this, then I'll get 775. So 25 ones are 25, 30 ones are 775. So the answer is 31. Seventh one, 76.5 divided by 0.15. So I have written in this way. You can see here in the denominator there are 2 digits. So I am shifting that. So here it is only 1 digit. So I have to write 0 extra. So when you divide this, you will get 510. Okay. So 8th question, 37.8 divided by 1.4. So I have written here like this. So shift denominator also, numerator also. Both are 1 decimal place. So it will become 378 divided by 14. So if you divide, you will get 27. Ninth one, 2.73 divided by 1.3. You can see here in denominator there is only 1 digit. So shift that. Numerator also you should shift. So it will become 27.3 divided by 13. So if you divide, you will get 2.1. Okay. Now 6th and last question. So a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. They are asking how much will it cover in 1 liter of petrol. You need to divide that. So 43.2 divided by 2.4. So I have written like this. Since both are 1 digit, shift numerator and denominator. 432 divided by 24. So if you divide, you will get 18 kilometers. So you should write 18 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. I hope you understood this exercise very well, and thank you for watching. Keep watching for other chapters. Thank you.